Hey, Sam Manor from Child Restraints. Today we're down at Silverdale and today we are working on a Bronco, a 1986 Bronco. That puts it in the realm of being a classic. So with this today, we're not just putting in anchorage points, but we also put 3 lap belts in the back because the ones that he had in there were a little bit rough. But you have a look at this. You always got to look at the car. There you go, the Bronco. Anyway, so what we've done, first I'll show you what we've done with the car inside the car, in here. Okay, you can see where we've put the lap belts. There's 1, 2, 3. We've already established the car seat in there, the maxi guard. We've put that in the center. That way the child can actually have a look outside the window. Plenty of room for that. But we have to put a Child Restraint Anchorage bar. Now, because of the Broncos, they are quite a wide vehicle. So the standard bars that we generally use, they won't fit in there because they come too short. So we had to use the extra long bar. And using an extra long bar, which means we have to get that engineered, a report on that. So it's not a big deal. That's all doable. But as you can see in here, you can see the bar in there. Okay, putting that 3 point on that bar there. Now, the bar itself can take up to 4 points. We usually use them in the bigger trucks, like the Isuzu, the 500s. But in this, we had to use it because it is a wide vehicle, but it's all doable. So if you've got a Bronco and you need some anchor points in the back and get some new seat belts in there, well, you're gonna have to give us a call and we'll come and sort you out. I'm Sam and I hope all this has been helpful.